this IPOB shall fear no evil. Even if the whole world is against us, even if Britain intensifies their effort to cross this very light of hope in sub-Saharan Africa, even though they shake the mountains, even though the seas may rise, even though they may give all the weapons and ammunition to the Zoological Republic, no matter what they do, no matter how they ferment their rage, it doesn't matter to us. For God, Biama, is in the land of Biafra. We shall never ever be moved. This God of the ancients will help us now and forevermore. For Biafra shall come, and this Lord of hosts is with us. Biama, the same God of Jacob, this same God of Shadrach and Meshach and Abednego, this God that never abandons his people, this same God is our refuge, and we proclaim it ultimately that this God that we kneel and bow before, we shall worship thee, for Biafra is your promise. Your word is yea and amen. Instead of your word not to come to pass, heaven and earth will cease to exist. Upon this very hope we anchor all our belief that Biafra shall come in our time, and we pray that it come this very year, that your glory may be made manifest in the lives of men, that we may kneel and bow before thee.
He said, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends where you are getting this video from. Today is a very serious issue today. Today, what we are going to do, we want to see who the father of all jihad, the father of all jihad, which is Tafawa Balewa. Let's listen to what Tafawa Balewa said. Let's begin from there. Because of why am I doing this is because of our people. We need to wake up. We can't take our land. We can't handle Igbo land to Fulani herdsmen. We can't handle our land to a stranger. We must defend the land of Igbo. We must defend the land of Biafra. That is an attack and it's an must. And this is what we have to do with all cause. Listen, let's hear what, let's go back to the founder of all this insecurity we have in our land, called Tafawa Balewa. Let's hear from him first. Let's hear from him. Just 1 minute. Let me find his video out. Let's find him. Just in the next, let's hear what that was saying. There we go.
They want to monopolize everything in that area. If you put them in a labor camp as a laborer, within a year they will try to emerge as headman of that camp, and so on.
Did you hear what he's saying? That if you put an Igbo man in a laborer camp, that he will emerge to come the head of that laborer camp. But forgetting that this is a talent that God have given to we Igbos, that God have blessed us before we are born. Remember, we are the child of then give us 20 pounds. Listen.
Because you can see from our northernization policy that in 1952, when I came here, there weren't 10 northerners in our civil service here. And I tried to have it northernized, and now all important posts are being held by northerners. Is this
policy of filling all key posts in the north.
All the important posts has been held by the Northerners. Your governor, Efurefu governors, they are there. They are doing Babiala. Your Efurefu governors, all of them, all these 5 Eastern governors. These people forget easily their past. Let's listen.
Solely with Northerners and not with other Nigerians, a temporary or permanent one.
In actual fact, what it is a northerner first. If you can't get a northerner, then we take an expatriate like yourself on contract.
Okay, a Northerner first. But if we cannot get a Northerner, we can take a patriot like you. Like who? Onyocha Naji, this BBC man. They can rent the same way they rented your Tulimbu Jagaban, the same way they rented him now and put him here, the same way they rent all your governors and tell them what to do. They are stooge. They rented all of them, they hired them to do their job for them. Hope of them, ma. Enugu state governor, Ebonyi state governor, all these people are the people that this man is talking about, but you didn't know. They are the people they have to hire to do their dirty job for them. So what would they do? Listen, if they can't find a nigger man, a nigger man that come from that area, they hire from outside. But now, they can find somebody, which they can find the stooge in Imo State, they can find a stooge in Abia State, they can find a stooge in Anambra State, they can find a stooge in Ebonyi State, they can find a stooge in Enugu State. Listen. It's not me that's saying it.
Employ another Nigerian, but on contract too. This is going to be permanent, I should say, for as far as I can foresee, because it would be rather dangerous to see the number of boys who are now turning from all our learning institutions coming out with having no work to do. I'm sure whichever government of the day might be, it will feel rather embarrassed, and it might even lead to bloodshed.
Doesn't this damage the idea, sir, of all people in all regions in Nigeria being citizens of one country?
Well, it might, but you are, I mean, new to our region, but how many northerners are employed in the east or in the west? The answer is no. And if there are, there may be 10 laborers employed only in the 2 regions.
You hear him there. You hear him there. But your governors know about all this. Why wouldn't you people ask yourself question? Ask Musa, who said that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is their problem. They said that agitators are their problem. Ask them. Now, if agitators are their problem, what is their father said here? Tafawa Balewa, their father, what he said here? Now, insecurity up everywhere, both in the north, both in the west, both in the east, insecurity everywhere. This is what this man here created. This is what he created. This is what he's talking about. And the people are following this legacy of this person. Your governors. Musa is crying now that southeast now is coming, that calm is coming in the southeast. Scam is coming in the southeast. We are kidnapping, killings everywhere. You are telling us that calm is coming in the southeast. Are you deceiving who? Who are you people deceiving? That's my question. Who are you deceiving? So you are thinking that you can do all these shenanigans just to cover your dirty acts. Kunu uchi otu ne nwara anwụ, kunu chọrọ ikpuchi. Uchi ife ọjọọ. Unu akpọrọ na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu tukpuo ya na mkpọrọ. Carry this innocent man and put him in the prison. This innocent man, this man is a prophet I have seen in my own lifetime. Nothing that this is our Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people, said that haven't come to pass. Now Simon Ekpa come. They say, oh, Simon Ekpa is our problem. Then take him now. They now plan their shenanigan, keep him where they keep him. What is going on now? Who is Musa? Musa, I'm asking you, who are you going to be holding responsible in what is happening in your southeast, in the northeast, in every rabid terrorist bandit ravaging the whole northern region? Who did you hold responsible? Musa. General Musa, who did you hold responsible for order? Nobody. But your eyes is in the southeast, killing innocent people, innocent men and women, children that doesn't do nothing. What is their what did they commit? What is their crime? Their crime is only we need freedom, we need independence for ourselves so that we can go and govern ourselves. Tell me what is crime there? That somebody say no, we need to govern ourselves, we need to guide ourselves. Like here where I'm staying. In people talk about Spain, Barcelona, this. Listen, I stay here in this region for years. Barcelona have what they call regional government. Not only Barcelona, the whole Spain, they have what they call autonomy. Each state have their own autonomy. They have their autonomous states. Take your money and develop your state. This is what Ojukwu asked for, nothing more, nothing less. You guys, zoo, animal, killing brave men and women, innocent people. Because of what? Somebody asked you for. Let's go for regional government. That is nothing. Here in abroad where we stay, this is what these people practice. This is what our great grandfather practice. Biri kambiri. That is why our leader call you people. In fact, calling you people zoo self is not okay. All these people, from your governor to your senators, from whatever you call them, all these people they don't have no sense. They doesn't think. And they would actually the war people everywhere. I war everywhere. Governor I will show you people here. Here. If we try all these good things, this country don't have nothing. When I was here, there is nothing like an international airport. I was here, they have what they call local airport. But slowly, they have one of the best international airports here. Seaport is here. Where I'm staying here, look at sea here. That is seaport. Madrid is the only place that doesn't have sea. Barcelona has sea. If you go the environment where they have all this, this is where you see heavy economic area. Hotels, restaurants, everywhere. People want to come. Clean, you have a clean beach. You have a clean sea. Of all these dirty things, you can't clean water. You can't do nothing. Everywhere. People cannot fish. People cannot have clean water to drink. Nothing. Leaving people to be suffering for nothing's sake. We ask Nigerian government, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Release this innocent man. Release this man, this prophet. Release him, let him go. And ask him that you are sorry for all these wasted years, wasted time, for nothing's sake. And make sure that Mazi Simon Ekpa is out as well. I know why I'm saying this. As you are getting this message, I say, may God bless you. May God bless you. Because of here, there. Our people. Ndi Igbo. And that is why I like what they are doing in the USB. Let each community, each state defend their state. These people will finish everybody. Remember, Martin Nandekadi tell you, there is time will come, these people will be going house to house to draw you people out of your house to. That's what they will do, nothing more. onye wepụtara bepụ isi n'ụlọ n'ụlọ we are trying to be we are trying to be political correctness. Your senators, governors, in the political correctness, ndara. Good people of Biafra, may God bless you people all from where you are getting this message. As you are getting this message, please make sure that you share this message. Let this message go everywhere. Share this message in your platform. Share this message to your friends. Share this message and subscribe to our channel. Our channel is USB Gospel. Go to our channel, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comment. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. From me, from here is good evening.